Here is a type of connective tissue which we see in contrast to the loose areolar connective tissue, which we saw a little bit earlier. This is also classical connective tissue, which means the majority of the substance is collagen and the majority of the nuclei that you see, often spindly, are fibroblasts. So, like loose areolar irregular connective tissue, this is chiefly collagen, the pink stuff, and these spindly cells, which are the nuclei of the fibroblasts, which makes the collagen. But in difference to loose areolar connective tissue, these collagen bundles are much more dense. And in addition, both the fibroblasts as well as the fibers are arranged in one direction. They're linear. This is a type of dense connective tissue in which the force is placed on it only from end to end. This is a tendon. And also, in difference to loose areolar connective tissue, you're not very likely to see other types of round free cells in here like we did with the areolar connective tissue. In the areolar connective tissue, we saw, if you remember, lymphocytes, the most common type of cell, macrophages, the second most type of cell. We saw a couple of plasmacytes. There could be eosinophils. There could be any other types of cells that you see in blood. But in this one, we see very little other than the fibroblasts and collagen bundles. Here we probably see a blood vessel running through it. So these cells here are probably having some relationship to the edge of a blood vessel, which we're cutting. Also notice, because this connective tissue is very, very dense, you're more likely to get these little open spaces, these irregular jagged spaces. And these are simply artifacts due to the fact that we are cutting more dense, more brittle connective tissue. So you're more likely to see this type of cutting artifact in dense, regular connective tissue, in other words, tendon, than we are in loose, irregular connective tissue. And I thank you very much.